Today, I'm going to show you on how you can access Grok, Claude, and Codex from your iPhone to your Mac. This is not just a tiny phone version of those tools, it's a real Mac. Let me show you how. Before we start, we need a couple of things. Your Mac. This is where Grok, Claude, and Codex lives, so it needs to be installed first before we can connect. The second one is your iPhone. This will act as a remote control. Take note that we will not install Grok, Claude, and Codex on the iPhone because it lives already on your Mac device. The next one is Termius. This will be the key from connecting from your iPhone to your Mac. The second application is Tailscale. It's like a private path between your phone and your Mac. You need to sign in to your account, so you need to download Tailscale on your iPhone and on your Mac with the same account. And also, you need to change the settings from your Mac in order for your iPhone to remote in. So just go to System Settings, go to General, and enable Remote Login. After that, let's proceed with the iPhone configuration and Tailscale setup. So once you sign up in Tailscale, go to Networks, Machines, and click Add Device. So if you add your device, it will bring up a couple of operating systems, Linux, Windows, Mac OS. In this tutorial, we will use Mac OS. And then press Send. Once it's installed and set up, you will see the name of your machine over here, the IP address. The IP address is very important. Take note of that IP address as we will be needing it with the iPhone configuration. So once you installed the Tailscale application on your Mac, it will show on the menu bar. Just turn on and click Connect. And then it will show you right here the IP address of your device. Again, take note of that IP address. We will now proceed on the iPhone configuration. So once you downloaded Tailscale on your iPhone, connect to your account, and once connected, the IP address will show at the bottom on this screen. Take note of that IP address of the Mac that you're connecting to. And we will configure the Termius side right now. Sign into your account or create an account in Termius. Once done, go to Host, go to New Host, and remember the IP address that I asked you to save. Put it in here. Disregard this setting. Just use the default and make sure to input the username of your Mac, the password of your Mac that you're connecting to, and that's it. Once it's filled, just press the check button. So once your device are in the hosts section, just double click it And then as you can see, we are now in the terminal. And once you have Grok, Claude, or Codex installed, you could just type in Grok the way you type in on your Mac. That's it. That's the thing on how you can remote control and access Grok Build, Claude Code, and Codex CLI on your Mac using your iPhone. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.